The Zaucet Titanium Cutting Board 2025 immediately stands out because its pure titanium surface does not soak up liquids or odors, which keeps it feeling noticeably cleaner than wood or plastic boards over time. Its double-sided design, with one face suited to produce and the other to raw proteins, makes it easy to keep ingredients separate and reduces the risk of cross-contamination in a busy kitchen. The titanium surface is impressively resistant to knife marks, so it stays smooth, does not develop deep grooves that trap residue, and continues to look almost new after extended use. I appreciate that the medium 14-inch by 10-inch size gives plenty of working room for everyday chopping without being awkward to move, store, or fit beside other tools on the counter. Because titanium is naturally inert and commonly used in medical applications, this board feels like a very safe option for anyone worried about chemicals leaching from plastics or stains lingering in wood. Cleaning is straightforward since the board does not absorb moisture, rinses off quickly, and can go into the dishwasher without warping, which makes it easy to maintain good hygiene.